We are pleased to show you the 2017 Chevy Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.